so easy. Good. Now let's put the handbrake on. Should work fine. It's chilly in here, like last time. So, where are my gloves? Here. And it's kind of dark. I need some lights. This is the best purchase for a long time. Good for the interior job. Let's continue. Let's take the dashboard out. Everything is new to me, so I need to figure out some things, because I can't even remember, have I done this job before or not? I had many E30s in the past. I think it's 3, 4, and I think the first one which I had to do something with the heating something, and I took it apart, but it was like centuries ago, so I have to figure out. So yes, you have to pull those off. It's kind of easy, or it should be, like this. There's 3 of those. Then yes, I use the Google, because otherwise I would break it. So next thing is remove that somehow, like this. Very gentle, because it's plastic and it will break pretty easily. Yes. Now there's 4 more screws. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Ha! Easy as that. Then there's 2 sockets. Done. Took me less than a minute. So next is so much cables and small metal clips. I think I need to remove these. One cable. Then there's, well, I have to mark them, because otherwise nobody remembers how to put them back. Let me get some tape. Like that. I'm just gonna write down upper P-P-E-R. Oh, nice handwriting, like a kid. So the next one is down here. Pull it out? No, push it out. I hope so. Yeah, as you can see, it's cold in here. So here's the metal clamp. I probably need pliers for that. Where are my pliers? Here. Nope. What about now? Still nope. I meant those. I don't know how you call them, but I will learn. What a struggle. Just a small thing, and yes. Another one. Don't fight back. Yes. I need some tape to mark it, just in case. Probably a lot of information you're gonna get from the YouTube or Google. So I'm gonna mark here, lower 2. I hope I remember all. Here's the third one. Probably a lot of E30 guys were watching and shaking their heads. Come on, what the f are you doing? Well, that's how we learn. Every day, something new. Where's my screwdriver? I just wanna say some bad words, but I can't do that, because cursing is, not beautiful, but sometimes it helps. Yes, 3 clamps. Yes. So, as you can see, easy peasy. Well, actually no. This is the middle one. Next, as you can see, piece of cake. No, you couldn't see. So this is easy, just push it out. And you don't even have to use much of a force. Load of cables. Yeah, for the radio. This last guy, I think he had better music than the original one. There's subwoofers and stuff, but I will of course install them back, but that's the least of my worries at the moment. So I'm gonna try to figure out what the hell is this remote cable. Usually it's blue. I'm blue. I'm trying to get rid of that from here. RCA cables, speaker cables, everything I'm gonna get rid of. Those as well. I have an idea for the sound system. Actually, I found the perfect head unit. So, okay. The plastic. Here is one screw. The screw here. One, no, two. There's more. There's three. Here's the small plastic thingy. So it should come out now. No, not yet. Here's another one. What the fuck? Glove box lighting. Oh, looks good. What the hell is that? Just don't get it. I have no idea. 2 wraps of wire. Goes who knows where. This is what? I don't know. Cable ties. Just got them one. Speeple. This is speeple. What those are speaker cables. Just get rid of those. I don't need them. At least not now. Oh my god. One. Come on. 2. The cable holders. Can I pull it out? No. Brain of the car. Well, it's not the brain, it's the ECU, but we like to call it, roughly translated, a brain. What the f is that? I don't get it. Here is some kind of wire. I don't know where it goes, what it is. Oh, a chewing gum. I wonder what kind of taste it has. It doesn't even smell, so it's not a chewing gum. 1 and 2, come on. There's 3 poles holding the ECU. Motronic Bosch. 2 screws here. Take some photos just in case. Glove, good. It's glove. G-L-O-V. Yeah, switch. I'm just gonna get rid of that. I hate those speaker cables. ECU, and I put one here, and then the other tape will go here. Also ECU1. Holy Moses. So let's see what happens. Come on. So one wiring harness done. This is the main harness for the engine. So next, 2 bolts here, Soon we will find out what for. I bet those are for the dashboard. It's some kind of bracket. This goes like this. I think we should go to the driver's side. Everything is unscrewed here. At least I hope so. I need to get rid of that. Here is also some kind of... What the f is going on? The tape? Well. So here's the... At least the previous owner has done a good job. A lot of people, they don't want to waste time. No. I think the dashboard should come out pretty soon. So I need 10. This is the lower bolt. Here's also the same bracket like the opposite side. I'm wondering, what the hell is that? I don't know. I'm just gonna take a few pictures of it. I think it's the buzzer or something, which plays the sound when like low on fuel or coolant liquid or something. I think the dash will come out now. Yep. Nope. Was ist wrong? What's wrong with it? I'm probably doing it. Oh shit! Almost fell. Don't mess with me. I knew it. I knew it from the beginning. Always use tools, not your fingers. Makes life much easier. Yes. And there it is. So I got the dash out, and as you can see, sorry about my shadow, no cracks. No cracks at all, and this should be the original one. Many of those are cracked because of the sun and the hot weather and stuff like that. If you consider that this car is from '86, this looks mint. There is some minor crack here, and I don't remember, was it here when I bought it, or I did like break it myself. I'm happy. This is how it looks without the dashboard. Load of all kind of wires, cables. What was it? Insulation material? I don't know, whatever. Next I have to get rid of the heater, and then I have to get rid of all the wires. Also sunroof, which is actually installed by not the previous owner, but one guy before him, and electric powered windows. I don't like the way he did it. Some kind of, who knows what kind of cable he used. I want to redo it. I want it to look like original. I hate these kind of people, you know, they just find some kind of cables. The cable doesn't even belong here. Probably it's the speaker wire. You're not gonna be here for a very long time, my friend. I'm gonna throw you away into the trash bin. What the hell is that? Some kind of alarm system. This one I'm gonna get rid of. It's the button. It reminds me of Dexter's cartoon. Titi, please do not push that button. It was bigger than this one, but still, it's the red. What the hell? I don't know even where to start. Well, this is for the head unit. Lots of cables. Some kind of ground wire for the alarm system. We are fine. We don't need those. This is what? some kind of relay, but who knows? Fuses. Oh my god, I'm gonna be old when I finish this project. This is the remote for the amp. We don't need that. Who does that? This is the original wiring, and here comes the mess. My head is aching already. I'm just gonna show you. Alarm box, then there's fuses. I don't know. I just don't know. Please help me. Please help me. Yep. And there's two more up here. Yep. Takes a lot of time to unscrew these because I don't have any room in here. Use DDD. What are you calling it? This thing. Maybe it will help me a little bit. What's wrong with you? Takes like forever. So I think the heater should come out now. I hope. There are the hoses. Yeah, those are like rubber thingies. But just I don't get it. Should they come out without it or with it? Oh, with it. Yeah, I can see already. For f***'s sake. Gotcha. Next 2 hours we'll be battling with the socket. Took a long time, but I won. We don't need that. It's not the easy job to dismantle a car, but trust me, it won't be easier to put it back together. A proper headache. Yep, I knew it. I freaking knew it. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm getting tired. I know I don't talk much, but like they say, pictures, at the moment videos, will say more than 1,000 words. Enjoy the view. Zip and die. So let's start with this power cable. You know, I have a problem. I don't know how this socket comes out. I'm pretty sure that I don't have to disconnect all the pins. I know newer models of BMW, those come out through this small hole, and you can like take all the wiring out of the car. In this case, I have no idea. It has to come through here because I need to do a lot of welding here, so I need to get rid of the wires. I just keep struggling. I will figure it out one way or another. One sec, I think I got it. If I can find the tools. I lost them. Okay, here. Verify. Does it work like this or it doesn't? it has to come through here, but here are 3 wires. I think they shouldn't be here. So this is installed later by the previous owner. So he took these through the rubber thingy. So basically, awful. And everything goes through here. I'm pretty confident. To be honest, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Oh, for sake. I tried to assemble it, otherwise all the bits and pieces will be missing. So this one goes in the middle, and then there is the well, it's assembled. Now it comes off. Oh, finally, almost in one piece. God damn it. What a piece of shit, you know? Here's a broken wire. It's not a surprise. That door switch. And those are rear speaker wires. Can't see shit. So I have a lot of those small plastic bags. Put all the screws and everything, mark them. Dash, roller, screw, steering wheel. I hope I do remember, or once I'm gonna read those, I'm gonna probably scratch my head. And I'm gonna do the little hocus pocus. I'm gonna zip tie that here, so I know. Fantastic. Done. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs, whoever is watching it. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to my E30 project. So today I'm trying to finish what I started last time. It didn't go as planned. It took more time than I anticipated. So hopefully today I'm gonna be more productive, and I take one step at a time. So let's get cracking. I'm going to sleep under the car. I need to buy some flashlights. I don't have the strength. It was a good sleep. Yes. What happens next? Nobody knows. Rubber thingy. Yes, there's two cables underneath the car. One is for the rear differential speed sensor, and the other one, I think it's the fuel pump, because it's going between body and the fuel tank, so I think there should be a connector. Listen, I just learned a new word, connector. Yep, I was right. Ah, wait. I think I'm stupid because it stays here. Yes, I am a little bit dumb. Looks so easy. Well, this is the easy part. The hardest part is everything has to go back where it was. A lot of nerves, a lot of cursing. I think I have to buy some kind of cursing dictionary because I'm probably gonna run out of words. But luckily, I know how to curse in Russian, so it gives me a little bit more words. Also, I know how to curse in a little bit in German, English, Finnish. I'm gonna probably leave the dictionary out. I'm gonna use the words I know. Let's try. Let's see what happens. Slowly, slowly. I don't want to damage any wires. Go away. God damn, the door connector is jammed. Okay, one. I see progress. It's getting warm. Got it. It's like a snake. It's stuck somewhere. Where are you? I see the light in the end of the tunnel. Victory! Holy. This was a proper struggle, finally. Here's the bunch of cables, and yeah, well, it's still stuck here somewhere. I will figure it out soon. A lot of work. So let's get rid of the brake booster. I don't know what to do with the brake booster because new are not available anymore. If it works, I can put it back, just clean it a little bit and new paint. If it doesn't work, I don't know how to test it. Check the Google, maybe there's some kind of information about that. The new brake booster is about 400 euros, so I think I'm gonna stay with the old one. Oil, come on! And magic, come on! Again, some kind of rubber thingy. Ooh. Actually, I'm gonna replace all the brake lines as well. Yeah, it's broken, as you can see. This one is new. I replaced it while I did the brakes last summer. I think we should get rid of the fuel filter. I'm gonna replace all the clamps, hoses, fuel lines, brake lines, everything is gonna be new. Look what I found, the missing nut. Fuel filter bracket. I'm gonna take these clamps off. It's gonna break. Is it possible even to find a new one? And it's gonna cost me a fortune. Come on, 35 years old. Let it soak a little. Here's another bad rusty place I'll show you here. And let's see what comes underneath. there's a hole. Under the fuse box there is always rust. And my car isn't different. If I take the screwdriver and... Hello, hello. Please. Okay, with this it was easy. At least the nut was easy. Then there's some kind of washer. Fingers crossed. Oh, it came loose. Number 10. Oh. No, no. Where did you go? So I won't lose them. Otherwise, I probably won't find them anymore. I think the E39 had the same ones, so maybe I can use those. Then I don't have to buy new ones. Money saved. Broken. Now it's broken. A lot of plastic clips and shit. Broken clip, broken clip. Those small clips, they go to the A-pillar. One piece, 3 freaking euros. Are you kidding me? 3 euros. This small piece of plastic. Ridiculous. Thanks BMW. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm not gonna talk too much today because I just want to go home. This is the second day in a row, pretty long day. I'm tired. I just want to get home. So thank you again, and I hope I see you soon. Bye bye.